Hello, welcome to PolDiag. Today we will read BCM2 module type 8K0 using our true BCM2 license. The module is already connected, so let's head to the BCM2 section. Here are old BCM2 tabs. We are interested in bench mode window. Here we can make sync data for BCM2 with all CS data, clone module, make keys, but now we will edit the module. Let's do the quick reading. This method doesn't require any data collection from car or erasing the MCU. Whole coding will be preserved without extra steps. Just need to let it read. For me it took 10 to 15 minutes. This step is the longest part of this procedure. Editing and applying changes are seconds. Writing is few minutes. You will see. Reading done, save the original file and open an editor. The file will decode and display all data saved in the module. Let's uncheck the ELV, this will disable it, and for example change the VIN. Just remember that when ELV is disabled, you can't connect it, and the connector that leads to it need to have connected pin 1 and 6 together. We can save the changes into a new file with this single button. Once it's done, we can proceed to writing. Click Write BCM2 bench file. Choose the modified file and give it some time to write. For me it took only a few minutes. As you can see, it is very simple, quick and reliable. There is no need to reflash, collect data, or erase MCU for this simple procedure. No coding is missing, no extra steps needed. Let us know what you want to see next, which module and procedure you struggle with, or just simply curious. Thank you for watching and see you next time.